So today is my first day doing Wim Hof with a trainer named Greg. Who lives in Santa Barbara. I gotta tell you, man, it is just incredible. Got interested in studying the Wim Hof method because of the reports on its impact on working with anxiety. You know, we're doing a very sort of scaled down, very safe version of it, but I was still astounded after the third round of breathing how long I could hold my breath, and it just seemed to kind of go on forever. And you kind of relax into the discomfort of it.
We're rolling.
What's your name?
Oh, we're doing official again. Alright. So, my name is Greg Spivak. I'm a personal trainer, optimal health coach in Santa Barbara and across the globe for clients anywhere and everywhere, and also a certified Wim Hof method instructor. So,
Greg went to Poland to study with the master, Wim Hof himself. In 2017, Greg was certified in the Wim Hof method and brought it back to his practice in Santa Barbara, California.
That being said, let's all get a little more antiquated with each other. So I want to go around the room and have everyone introduce themselves, say what you're looking forward to, what you've heard, and that way we all kind of know each other a little bit more intimately, because we're about to do something that's pretty intimate today.
Hey, my name is Lawrence. I'm from England. I've been hearing about Wim Hof for a good few years now. Been wanting to try out some of these breathing exercises, try to be more in control of my nervous system, everything. I want to help with anxiety, stress, all that stuff. So.
Hi, I'm Jerry. Very, very curious and nervous. But I'm convinced I can survive. See you on the other side.
I'm Andrew. I've been interested in cold therapy since I started mountaineering, in early 2000s, doing contrast showers to help my legs recover, So this is just, Wim Hof has always been on the periphery, so I'm excited to dive into this, yeah.
So, appreciate all you guys sharing a little bit about yourself. So let's get into it. So you guys have all have a general idea of who Wim Hof is, right? So I'd like to just recap real quick, who the gentleman is, how he kind of came about this, and then we'll kind of get into what the Wim Hof method is.
Wim Hof combines breath work with cold hydrotherapy, movement, and meditation. The neuroscience of his work suggests success in reducing anxiety and depression.
We're doing a Wim Hof Fundamentals workshop today, guys. So we're going to be taking you through basically the fundamentals of breath, the mindset, and the cold. You'll take this away, apply it to your life, gain more comfort with discomfort, be more aware in the present moment, be more in tune with the breath. So.
I had a lot of trouble with that.
All right, so 6 seconds in, 6 seconds out. You know this is going to be tough, but you're going to control the breath and you're going to be just fine.
The breathing exercises helped oxygenate Jerry's blood, balancing pH, improving health, and preparing him for the cold. The 2-minute plunge will likely increase Jerry's white blood cell count, improving immune function, stimulate endorphin production, and improve sleep. The movement exercise helps with circulation.
Okay, Andrew, I'll be praying for you.
I need it.
See you.
Andrew blew us away with a 3-minute plunge. With his background in athletics, he knows well the benefit to muscle recovery and sports performance that the breathwork and cold immersion generate.
Do one more time. As you're squeezing down, then you're relaxing and letting it flow in. Thanks.
Well done, Andrew.
Though we each may have had fears at the onset, we all appreciated Greg's gentle but firm guidance in facing discomfort. Wim Hof says we are all the owners of our own brains and that our happiness, strength, and health belong to us and are at our command.